So ladies and gentlemen, listen up very closely because I'm about to tell you the real secret on how to get rich trading during the 2023 recession. 2023 is going to be the hardest year ever for 99% of Earth. Winners will win harder than they ever, but for the average trader, he's fucked. The upcoming 2023 recession is either going to cause you to lose your job and become a brokey, or it's going to allow you to create generational wealth and achieve financial freedom. Which one is it going to be? So in this video, I want to tell you exactly how you can make over 6 figures, if not millions of dollars, trading Forex during the 2023 recession. I want to share with you 5 different tips on how you can rack up lots and lots of money in 2023 when everything is collapsing. The first tip I want to share with you is to focus on fundamental analysis. Fundamental news will become way more important when it comes to Forex trading. If you guys know me, you will know that I mostly trade based off just technical analysis. So what I do is that I will just check if there are any upcoming high impact news on Forex Factory, and if there is, I will just stay out of the market or be more careful trading on that day the news is coming out. However, during a recession, there is going to have a lot more frequent news that will come out, and any small news event may affect the market a lot more than it usually would. So moving forward, I'm going to start checking fundamental news and keep up with the news more often. What you can even do is to keep your TV on the news to see what is going on in the United States, so you can avoid any unpleasant moves and take losses that you shouldn't be taking. The second tip is to adapt to price. You must understand that trading Forex or stocks or crypto or whatever during a recession is way different from trading during any normal year. There will be more sellers than buyers, but do not be fooled, because there will be bears, but there will also be bulls. The market is not just going to keep dropping during the entire year, because if it was this easy, everyone will become a millionaire just by shorting the markets. That is not how the market works. Remember, market structure. Price has to retrace, so there will be some bullish days where price will go up. So if you are day trading or scalping, it will be very stupid for you to short the market every day. You should analyze the markets every day from a fresh standpoint, because you have to understand that yesterday's market is not today's market. But however, if you are swing trading and holding the trade even longer and you are okay with price retracing, then by all means go ahead and short it all the way down. Because remember, as traders, we want to be flexible and adapt and react to price and what the charts are showing us, instead of being stubborn and thinking that we are always right and imposing our bias onto the market. So if I'm in a short position and just selling US30 down, and I start seeing signs that price is going to reverse and head back up, the last thing I want to do is to hold the trade. What I should do instead is to be flexible and adapt to what the new price, the current price, is showing me. So I will enter for a buy. I will literally switch from a sell position to a buy position so that I can profit. Remember, trading is not about being right or wrong. Trading is about being flexible and reacting to what the price is showing us. The third tip would be to have 2 trading accounts. I would highly recommend you to have one account for day-to-day trading or scalping, where you are just taking trades every single day, every week, and have another account for more long-term position trading, like swing trading, and then you can use this account to just short the market and ride the overall downtrend. I still remember when COVID happened and stocks were going to shit. What I did was that I shorted US30 all the way down and bought it all the way back up, and I made like an insane amount of money just by doing this, while everyone else was losing money from the stock market crash. And I was only able to do this because of what I said in my previous point. I was flexible enough to adapt to what price is showing me, so that when price is done with that overall downtrend and it's gonna reverse to uptrend, I entered for a buy and buy it all the way back up. So I was able to benefit from both the down move and the up move. And that only comes when you have a lot of flexibility and humility to accept that the market is bigger than you and the market will always be stronger than you, and you should follow the market and follow the smart money. The fourth tip is to stay discipline. I've been talking about this since day one, but it is even more important during a recession because prices are going to be much more crazy and volatile, which means that you will lose money more if you do not know what the hell you are doing. And when that happens, you need to remain disciplined and continue trusting the process. Remember, focus on the process and not the outcome. Focus on becoming a better trader and the money will come. So continue risking 1% to 2% per trade. Always make sure that you continue following your trading plan. Do not risk more money because you lost a few trades in a row and now you start feeling salty and you want to make them back by revenge trading. Do not do that, and do not change up your trading plan just because you lost a few trades in a row and now you think that your trading plan is broken. That is just stupid. The fifth tip is that I want you to hold cash. Have money ready because stocks are going to be at a major discount and you want to get in at a cheap, low price. The best thing to have during a recession is not stocks, real estate or crypto. It is to have cash, money, ka-ching, reserves, ready to be deployed. The COVID-19 recession has literally doubled my net worth because I was able to get in at a cheap price. I invested my life savings into Tesla when everything was like collapsing, and I was able to double my net worth because I did that. Because I was greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. So this time, during this recession, it's gonna be the exact same thing. I plan to invest $100,000 into the S&P 500 index when it has bottomed and is showing me that signs that it's going to reverse and hit back up and double or even triple my money by riding it all the way up. So if you look at any recession like during the COVID-19 or during the 2008 financial crisis, price will crash, but then it always ended up recovering and even breaking all-time high and continue going upwards. So let's say if price of S&P 500 index drop from 4,000 to 2,000 and you buy a shit ton, you invest a large lump sum of money into it at 2,000, I can guarantee you that you'll be able to double or even triple that amount of money that you invested over the next 10 to 15 years. Think long term, guys. Now, before you start trading Forex in 2023, you must watch this video next, where I literally show you the harsh reality of becoming a Forex trader in 2023 and some of the key lessons that I wish I knew before I started trading Forex. So click on this video right here to find out more. And remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.